Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important tool for researchers and academics worldwide, ORCID. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or an academic professional, ORCID is a vital tool that helps distinguish you and your work in the ever-expanding world of research. Let's explore what ORCID is, why it matters, and how you can make the most of it. ORCID stands for Open Researcher and Contributor ID. It's a unique identifier that is assigned to individual researchers, helping to distinguish them from others with similar names. Think of ORCID as a personal digital passport that verifies your identity within the global research community. Why does ORCID matter? In academia, many researchers have similar names or publish in various fields, leading to potential confusion. ORCID provides a permanent, unique identifier that follows a researcher throughout their career. It ensures that all your contributions, whether they're papers, datasets, or grants, are correctly attributed to you no matter where you publish. Let's take a look at some key features of ORCID first. Unique identification. ORCID assigns each researcher a unique 16-digit identifier. Second, integration with databases. ORCID is integrated with a variety of academic databases, publishers, and grant agencies, ensuring that your profile is automatically updated with your publications. Third, collaboration and networking. ORCID helps you connect with other researchers and institutions, making it easier to showcase your work globally. And finally, transparency and accountability. It allows a transparent record of your academic contributions, reducing the chance of misattribution or duplication. Getting your own ORCID is easy. Here's how you can register. First, go to the official ORCID website, www.orcid.org. Next, click on Register to create a free ORCID ID. Then fill in your personal details, including your email address. And finally, once you register, you'll receive a unique 16-digit ORCID ID that you can start using immediately. One of the great features of ORCID is its ability to integrate with other research platforms. You can link your ORCID ID to several popular academic sites like Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Scopus, Publins, and even institutional repositories. This allows automatic syncing of your publications, saving you time and ensuring your research is accurately tracked across different platforms. Privacy is a big concern for many researchers. With ORCID, you have complete control over your profile. You can decide which information is visible and who can see it. This is especially helpful for early career researchers who may not want to disclose all their publications publicly just yet. Let's talk about the benefits of using ORCID for researchers. First, increased visibility. With your ORCID ID linked to your work, your research becomes easier to discover and track. Second, accurate citation. ORCID ensures your name is correctly attributed in citations, avoiding confusion with other researchers. Third, enhanced collaboration. ORCID makes it easier for potential collaborators to find you and see your work. And finally, support for career development. Many funding bodies, academic institutions, and publishers now require ORCID IDs when applying for grants, submitting manuscripts, or even joining academic networks. ORCID is not just a tool for individual researchers. It plays a crucial role in the entire research ecosystem. Publishers, funding agencies, and academic institutions are increasingly adopting ORCID as a standard for researcher identification. For example, funders like the National Institutes of Health or the European Commission may ask for your ORCID ID when applying for grants. There are other researcher identifiers out there such as Researcher D, Scopus Author ID, and Google Scholar profiles. However, ORCID stands out for its open, interoperable nature. Unlike some other identifiers, ORCID allows you to link your ID across various platforms, ensuring you can maintain a centralized, accurate record of your work. Once you've registered and started using ORCID, it's important to keep your profile up to date. This includes adding new publications, linking datasets, patents, and other types of research output, and updating your employment information, grants, and collaborations. ORCID integrates with a variety of tools that can automatically update your profile, reducing the administrative burden. In conclusion, ORCID is more than just a unique identifier. It's a vital tool for researchers to track and manage their academic work, improve visibility, and connect with the global research community. Whether you're just starting your academic journey or are already an established researcher, registering for an ORCID ID is a simple yet powerful step in your career. Remember, your work deserves to be recognized, and ORCID helps ensure that happens. So go ahead and sign up today at www.orcid.org and take control of your academic identity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on ORCID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on research tools and academic best practices. See you in the next video.